Yeah, man. We back, and we finally got the car to crank. Yeah, your boy Dip Game back. Yeah. Oh, here. You already know who it is. That 95 Impala. Mr. Steve. Mr. Steve here. Hey, car. Didn't you say you about 90% with this car? Yes, sir. Say you 90% with the Camaro, y'all. Got the hood on. Got the trunk up. So you got what? Put a filter in here? Fuel pump?
Fuel pump already in. This man got 20 damn motors in here.
What you got going on, Mr. Steve?
Oh, I'm waiting to put that ass whipping on the Dip Game. I'm gonna put that camera right up his ass. Hey, Carl! Hey! Come on, I'm talking about you, boy. I said, you got 20 motors in here. I said, I don't know which one you gonna put in that car. But, that's your ass.
They gonna be your damn new YouTube name, Mr. LA for Beaches.
Hey.
No sooner I put it on YouTube, hell, when I stroll up about 3 times, there it is. It said, that's your ass, Carl.
That was it. That's your ass.
That's your ass. Hey, they might stop saying LA for Beaches.
That's your ass.
That's your ass, Carl.
I give up. I'm done.
What's up?
He done ran the man. He done ran the man. I want to see what he got going on, because last time I had one of these IROC Camaro, that motherfucker.
Man,
No, I'm talking about with my
I had a true IROC. This is damn rally sport. I had an IROC, 2-4 injector. Yeah, that's the kind I had.
Yeah, I had
She had a computer chip. She would ride. Hey, Carl, did you ever know Charlie Higgins? Oh yeah, Charlie Higgins had a damn Mustang, boy. I was coming out of Columbus. That motherfucker jumped me, and I stumped it. That motherfucker pulled away from that IROC. God damn it, I said, fuck this shit, I'm going home. He said, where you live? I said, I live in the valley. Came home and got that white ghost out, that Firebird. That one I told you, your Malibu, it'll cause a lot of hell with that Firebird. That was a 396, yeah. Big block, yes sir.
God damn.
Yes sir.
But yeah, like I was saying, shit, I had that nose all the way down to the ground, ass up, just to change the fuel pump. But I see he made a trap door right here.
If you look in my truck, I got one.
I
cut a little hole back in the bed. When I want to do my fuel pump, I just move my carpet and lift it up. And there it is right there, just unscrewed and unplugged and held it ready.
Yeah, because that's the same thing. That's the same thing I did to my 93. I still got my 93 Camaro.
You know, dropping them packs ain't no damn.
Yeah, I know, because the goddamn nose gotta be way down to the goddamn ground.
That shit get old.
I'm talking about the tail light. The tail light gotta touch the damn ground. Not tail light, but the headlight gotta touch the ground.
He done did a lot of work on this motherfucker right here.
Yeah, I know. And he almost there too. He almost there.
Yep.
He said he's 90%
They said
done.
he's some good carburetors, man. I never fucked with him, man. I mean, even I had an Elder Brock, and I took it off. I sold it. I ain't never cared for him.
Oh, so you a holler man.
Well, right now, I'm a demon.
Yeah, that's a big boy.
Yeah, I run a demon.
What, by 800?
850.
Oh, 850. Oh yeah, you pumping that gas. You
Crank them up, I have to dump some gas and crank it. It love that gas.
Oh yeah, it gonna have to burn. So let me go ahead and turn this truck around.
This is a nice video today, now.
Oh,
This is a nice one. I ain't cursed him out. I just told him.
that's your ad call.
I ain't gonna say illnesses, but
Yeah.
that's your ass, Carl. That's your ass. I'm coming to get you, Carl. Hey, there he is. Hey, shoot it on him, man. Shoot it on him.
Hey, and then get what?
That's your ass car.
Hey, for all the subscribers that sit there, they got leaves on the car and all that stuff. The hood back on the bed. Leaves on the motherfucker. And the goddamn
Man, Carl, you done did a lot of work to this motherfucker,
fuck
man.
yeah. Shit.
No,
Goddamn damn near restored the whole goddamn car.
see what he was saying is they were talking about it in the comments. The comments said he got leaves and everything on him, so he just addressing it. Yep. Go back here and look at it. Go back and look.
They made you do all that shit.
Oh, they talk about you too.
What is that, my shop?
No, your car. Say you need to clean up the wires in your car. They gonna look at it.
The wires?
Yeah, you need to clean the wires up.
Oh, they got on you then. Then they got on you. Now what?
Why, Lord?
They got on you.
All the wires and everything.
You gotta clean your stuff up.
Go back and look at it. Look at the video, look at the comments.
Yeah, I had to clean my stuff up. You gotta clean your stuff up. Hey, what the old song say? What the old song say? Better clean up what I messed up. Start your life all over again.
I'm gonna have to go on there and talk to these motherfuckers.
Alright, y'all, see? Come on, like, subscribe, comment, make sure you comment. You see, I'm reporting the comments and everybody what they comment on. So they getting answer for y'all. So y'all go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, share, comment, and everything. Your boy Dip Game in the building. Alright, what we need to do?
You need to go to my place and see the motor that you seen partially. You need to see it now. This motherfucker is complete.
Oh, shit.
Carburetor to the goddamn fan.
Oh, shit.
Hey, old boy from the battle, we get it done. Might take a little minute. Give it a little time. We gonna get it done. They say they slow in the South, but you gonna be fair and right.
Y'all gonna be talking about my goddamn wires on my car. I see, I use push buttons. See, some people, you need two people to try to, when you're trying to adjust things,
Yeah.
one in the trying to turn the key. I got a push button. I sit out there and do
right
my
there on the
own.
hood.
I do my shit.
A lot of big ray cars got it right there.
Yeah.
He's trying to adjust the valve, just hit the button, hit the button.
Trying to tell you. Them old fans, all them gone.
Yes, sir.
I got a new fan, big motherfucker. One in the front and one in the back. Now, let's run over there real quick and come back.
We go right there.
We ain't gonna
Alright, we about to go to the Steve shop. Steve Auto Mechanic shop. We about to head there so we can see this motor. Give y'all some content, y'all. So go ahead and hit that button again, man. So you already heard, we will beat you there or we'll meet you there. Oh, hell.
Look, the pinion. Look at they broke up.
Body gear gone.
The pinion
It
can't.
was about damn time. How long that motherfucker been? Shit, it about time.
It's been in there since
Damn
97.
right. Shit, the way your ass right here, that motherfucker should have been on.
That's why I got this one. I'm gonna put that one in.
Okay.
The car caught some of it, so that was good. So the only thing that busted was the oil filter. It bent the fan, but he got some electric fans in there he want on there.
This is a badass caddy.
I was headed in there with it.
Whoa.
See, that engine puller right there, that motherfucker started turning sideways. I tried to pull it back and it kept pulling me up. I said,
I'll get my brother bring mine back.
This is a nice old ass caddy right here. This bite ain't that bad.
man, you want to get a damn little small pocket.
Everybody down here call hands with that song.
Shit! Oh shit! We getting it down! Oh shit! Damn, that big goddamn clean. Oh shit! Exclusive.
He brought me the whole
Exclusive.
Look at all this shit. He want me to put on doing that. He bought stabilizer bar, but they were not gonna work. He bought new brackets for the alternator. He got a new alternator here somewhere.
Man, this nigga got damn $1,200, $1,500 per head.
Yeah, damn.
It's a total. I think he got a total of like $7,500 in this damn thing.
He got some money, this bitch.
Look at all the boxes. Ain't got none of them motherfuckers. He got all that shit.
Diesel carburetor, airflow research valve cover, airflow research head.
Whatever he doing, somebody ass in trouble.
He got
now. I told him to go up there. That he got a break with these because these motherfuckers. These should have been right at $110. The guy that works at the parts store, the black guy and the white one. I said, man, y'all need to work out something. Help me out. They said, okay, Steve. So they took their cards and scanned their cards. So it ended up costing me $51 for the whole shit. I told him, I said, now you gotta have to block this whole off. I said, this one right, this one right here for your heater.
Yep.
You put that in there. I said, now this one right here, I put this in here for his temperature right here.
Right.
Now this one over here, he's gonna have to block off too.
Yep.
You know? And then, cause when you get your water pump, you're gonna get one on the water
That's a
pump.
motherfucking $500 goddamn intake. Airflow research?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Airflow.
That's about 18 to $2,000 per head. Another damn $500-$600 for the goddamn intake. I don't know what the fuck. These motherfuckers here probably got about $300.
You never seen the Pistons, man? Oh, you seen them?
I seen the Pistons, yeah. He done spent some money in this.
They and then they got them hitters talking about his shit chrome. I said, no.
And this going in the Malibu?
This right here going on that SS out there. These are real chrome. All the fittings for it. They're just gonna bolt up.
Okay. But this going in the Malibu?
Yeah, they gonna put it in the Malibu. And then
I definitely want to hit him over. We gonna call Dip game back goddamn with him over the pilot.
yeah, shit, man. I'm gonna bust his ass in it. I'm gonna bust his ass.
Everybody. He gonna bust everybody.
I'm not fucking with your cousin though. I ain't fucking with that man. That shit. I gotta get my liquor from him too. Oh, you ain't seen it, have you? Oh, you must ain't seen it.
Which one you talking about?
You ain't seen it. So
Which one you talking about?
I'm gonna let
Who you
you
talking about?
Dwight.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So he know what you talking about, but ain't don't know what you talking about.
You talking about that Ford thing?
Yeah, I
Oh,
ain't
you don't want to fuck with
I
that.
ain't trying to jump like that. That's. But you,
That motherfucker got a beast.
I know that.
Twin turbo.
I seen it.
That motherfucker.
I seen it. Now, man, you better stay friendly.
Yeah, we can't fuck. We can't
I ain't fucking with that now. Hey, look, y'all talking about clean up my goddamn wife. What's wrong with my wife?
See? Yeah, you got on your ass. You gotta get this.
I got an Excel. Look, ain't no wire hanging out nowhere. But my start button right here, it's supposed to. That's why I cranked it.
No.
Now, y'all can go to hell and leave me the fuck alone. Now y'all go back and talk shit to Carl. Huh?
The glass still for sale, ain't it? The glass.
Your motorcycle.
That wasn't the last post you had put up there. You said it was for sale.
No, you said that shit.
That was so clean. That was so clean right there. That was clean as hell right there. That was so clean.
That nigga said that shit.
Hey, it started back getting warm a little bit in Alabama. That's all that is.
You know what though? Man, the car's straight. It's a good body.
Yeah, oh yeah. Look at the goddamn car, man. This damn thing clean.
But he talking about getting the upholstery done, getting it painted. I think he said gonna get it painted white. Now you seen his truck, right?
It's a clean body.
It's white. He got a Dodge.
This body ain't hurt.
It used to have had 30 on it.
This body ain't hurt for real at all.
Look, man. But see, look, man. This is real metal. So it held the transmission. Like I said, now I gotta go up there. I gotta buy some more that oil with zinc because I don't crank one up. Well, this one been cranked up, but I still want put zinc back so he can run it for about a week and then change this motherfucker out. Cause it gonna be silver. The motherfucker, all that metal shit inside, change it out, put him a new filter, then he can go on and do the do.
Yeah, man. We back. And he finally got the car to crank. He was just playing around with it. He was playing around with the motor built. He was just playing around with it. And it fired up. They fired up. That dog thing sound good. He's still gonna put everything else in, but goddamn thing sound goddamn good.
Ow! The lead done fell off.
The lead done fell off.
The lead done fell off.
I'm talking about this thing getting pretty doggone good.
On, baby, on.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. So there it is.
Hey.
Complete build. But at the same time,
This might well be a whole restoration, basically, for real. So, God dang, I done did a whole lot of this motherfucker. But you heard it. And you know what he gonna do. Good. Till on the road, you'll see it.
so like, share, subscribe, and make sure you comment because you coming in on everything else. Come in on see
That
what
right.
y'all.
That right.
What? Okay.
Y'all motivated. Y'all hate a motivator. Yeah, come on with it. God damn it. Shit. You want something out done? Come on with it. The league on, the shop clean, and the car fired up. Now what else you got? Come on.
So come on with the comment. So
Give me
yeah.
all my lazy ass. I show you.
Oh man.
Yes, sir.
So there it is, y'all. Y'all first heard it, and we're gonna be back.